Hello friends, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video we are going to discuss about normally open contact and normally closed contact. So let's start with normally open contact. A normally open contact does not allow current to flow through it in its normal state. As you can see in the diagram, the switch is not in contact, so it does not allow current to flow through it. So in its normal state, that is, when it is not activated, the output is also 0. And when input is activated, that is, when input is 1, the output will also be 1. Then normally closed contact. It allows current to flow through it in its normal state, that is, when it is not activated. As you can see in the diagram, the switch is in contact, so it allows current to flow through it. So when input is not activated, that is, when it is 0, the output will be 1. And when input is activated, that is, when input is 1, the output would be 0. So let's move to the EcoStruxure Machine Expert. This is the interface of EcoStruxure Machine Expert. These are different tabs. Firstly, its properties. So application protection must be selected. It means that we can set a password for read protection and we can also set a password for write protection. For now, we will keep it as inactive for both the cases and then click on apply. Then we will go to the configuration tab. Here we can select a logic controller from here. These are the different logic controllers which can be programmed using this software. For example, I will be using this logic controller, that is TM221C24R. I will click on this and drag it to here. Do you want to replace? Yes. I will click on yes. So we have configured a device. Then we need to go to serial line and select the protocol as TMH2G-DB. So click on apply. Then we need to go to the programming. This is the area where we can draw the ladder logic. So these are different items which can be selected from here and inserted in the rung or network. We will simply select a contact and open contact. We can click here and then here. And then we will select a coil and click here. So it will be automatically connected. So in case I select a coil and put it here. So to connect this, I will select this icon, a pencil, and simply draw a line like this and then this. Now our network is ready. So we need to assign addresses to the contact as well as to the coil. So we will select the selection mode and then click on the address. Untrusted DLL. What should we do in this case? We'll simply continue, click on continue, and then we'll go to settings we will go to settings and then keep the verification level as silent, and it will not warn us like this, and then close. Okay, so we need to give the address to the contact. So the prefix for the inputs will be I, and these are the different addresses. For example, we will take it as I 0.0. It means that it is connected with the module number 0 and pin number 0. So we will address the coil as well. Its prefix is Q, and these are the different pins to which this output will be connected. For example, we'll take it as Q 0.0. So our ladder logic for normally open contact is ready, but there is a problem here. So we need to click on this and then delete. We will select the pencil here and connect it like this. So our program is ready. We'll compile it and then we need to do the commissioning, the simulation. We'll launch simulator. This is a simulator, and then we'll start controller. You are about to launch the controller. Click OK. So now our controller is started. So the programming part of this is open contact connected with a coil. So it means when the input is 0, output will also be 0. You can also see from here, like when 0 is not activated, the output 0 is also not activated. And when we activate the 0 input, the output 0 will also get activated. Now we will stop the controller and then we'll stop simulator. And then we will go to the programming. Then we need to program a ladder logic for normally close contact. So we will simply click on this and delete it and go to here and select negated contact, also known as normally close contact. We will click on this and then click here. Then we need to assign an address I 0.0. So our ladder logic for normally close contact is ready. We'll download it or compile it here. Then we go to commissioning. Launch simulator. We'll start controller. OK. As you can see, the input 0 is not activated, but output 0 is still activated. It is so because we have put the input as normally close contact. We have already seen that in case of a normally close contact, when input is 0, the output is 1. So is the case here. So when we put the input as 1, that is when you activate the input, the output becomes 0. Thank you for watching.